Many of you were asking me that how I created this look on my iPhone. So now it's time to create this look for you guys. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and without any further delay, let's dive into and make this attractive look of your iPhone. Let's begin. So let's start from the scratch. Now the first thing what we need to do is install the app. So go to the App Store, go to the search, find widget, something like this. Let me show you. This is the spelling and this is the app. Make sure to download this app. Once you have downloaded this app, now it's time to create a attractive widget. So let me open this app. Honestly, I'm opening this app for the first time over here. Continue with the English. Continue. I don't know. You can choose the measurement if metric or US, whatever you prefer. I prefer Celsius, so I'm going with the Celsius one. As you can see, continue, and miles per second. I prefer kilometer per second. Continue. My first day of the week is Monday. Continue. I don't care about this. Okay. Continue, continue, and continue. So we are into the app. This is how the app's UI, this is how it looks like. It's very simple. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to see what we have in our gallery. So we need to tap on the explore button and see the options that are created by this app, I guess. There are tons of options available. As you can see, they are single widgets, bigger widgets. We can see a lot of options are available over here. You can choose any of your choice, whatever you like. Um, Let me choose this one because I was getting comments regarding this one. So you can also allow the location if you want to. I don't want it to allow the location. You can give access to the calendar if you want to. I'm giving it a full access. Now, what you need to do is after selecting to this and giving the permissions, you need to tap on import widget over here, as you can see. So import widget, import is success. So go back. Now, when your imported is success, you need to tap on this manage button. Now you are into the manage section. Now there is an option of setup transparency, as you can see, and now you need to go over here, tap on the setup transparency. Now you need to add the wallpaper over here. So for that, what you need to do is go back to the wallpaper, take a screenshot over here of this, and now go back to this app. Now add wallpaper, select the screenshot that you just selected, and you are good to go. And you need to just do this one. So it is generating image. Now when you go over here, medium widget slots, what you need to do is tap on the medium widget slots. Tap over here. This is the one thumbnail widget that you created, imported basically. Tap on this and select this, something like this, and fix permissions. You don't have, just ignore this one, and it is over here, as you can see. Now go to your home screen, tab and hold, add widget, and go all the way down to the widget over here and select the medium slot over here option. It will be showing over here, add widget, and done, and boom, you are good to go. This is a really nice looking screen on your device. Your home screen looks way more attractive. As you can see, this is how it is looking like. You can also, customize it, your home screen, more by tapping over here, going into the customize and choosing the dark wallpaper, dark icons over here, and match the aesthetic of overall widget wallpaper and icons. Look really nice, look really decent. So this is something people you are like asking for a very long time, and here it is. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos regarding customization, also let me know in the comment section below. And I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.